said this. Now here's how Krishna replied. Oh, I gave those, listen gopis, hey Sakyon, Shuniye, I gave those unmarried gopis, those Brajakanyas, those virgins of Vrindavan, I gave them mercy by appearing on the last day of their Katyayani Brat as a personification of their Sankalpa. Their Sankalpa was, oh Katyayani, oh Yogamaya, give us Krishna. So I bypassed any intervention by my Yogamaya, or you could say I was manipulated by my own Yogamaya. And Yogamaya, rather than she going as an advance party to my darshan, Yogamaya inspired me and arranged for me to personally go, because they didn't expect that. Every day they made a deity out of it. Every day the Brajakanyas made a murti out of sand, because this is one of the 8 types of murtis which are mentioned in 11th canto of Bhagavatam. One is made of sand, one is made of clay, one is made of jewels and wood. Then there's the manasik murti that one establishes in their mind when they do meditation, or manasik seva. So we made a sand murti, there's a name for it, I can't remember. Rate murti or Renu murti, like Brajaraj, it's sand. And that was at Katyayani. And then we did full puja and full bhog offering, and then we offered prayers, and we offered arti. And we, from the beginning of our brat, in the Mrigashirsha month, we said, oh Katyayani, I'm going to worship you, I'm going to chant your mantra, your Ishta mantra, and I'm meditating on you as the mantra devata, and I have a sankalpa. I'm doing all this puja to please you and satisfy you, and I have a wish. If you're pleased, if you're satisfied, then make Krishna our husband. So Krishna himself came. So that's what he says. He says, I gave them mercy because of their worship of Katyayani. Now for what reason should I give mercy to you? You didn't do anything. They worshipped me for 1 month. They only ate once a day, unspiced khichdi with no ghee and no anything, just rice and mung dal. And they went out in the freezing cold. And so you're saying, oh, like the Kanyakamaris, you gave mercy, you should give mercy to us. But I gave mercy because they worked hard to get it. They really worked hard, and they followed the Shastras, and they worshipped one of my energies. So I'm duty bound to uphold the Shastras, injunctions. But you're telling me, why should I give you any mercy? You're telling me to be merciful without any reason. Now, Vishwanath in his Siddhaswarup is hearing what the gopis reply, so they start pitifully begging, all right then just give us mercy without any reason. Now this is a nice phrase, because what qualification do we have to get mercy from Krishna? What qualification do we have? We have the lotus feet of our Guru on our head, because we all have a Guru. And so with those lotus feet, that's our only qualification, is Sri Guru Kripa, the mercy of Guru. That may attract the attention of Krishna and Radharani and Gauranga Mahaprabhu, and then we'll go forward and attain our perfection of our desired sankalpa.